Good morning, investors and traders. This is Naim Azam, Chief Market Analyst at Evertrade, and welcome to our daily technical analysis video. In today's segment, I will be looking at Bitcoin prices, which are literally tumbling, and all major media outlets are putting these massive headlines that look, this particular asset class is melting, but it isn't. This is an opportunity. Every sell-off is an opportunity. So let's have a bit deeper conversation on that and why there is an opportunity there and where are those entry points. As always, this is the risk disclaimer is right in front of you. Anything which should be discussed cannot be perceived as an advice. Now, as always, I'm going to bring out the MT4 platform in front of you, and then we're going to start looking at the Bitcoin price. So all what I have to do is to drag the Bitcoin price from there to here. Now, first of all, guys, so something that we need to keep in mind is that this current sell-off, these long candles that we are seeing, there is nothing to worry about until, and of course, a few things happen, and then we certainly need to be worried about. But one thing which is quite important for us to keep in mind is that every sell-off is a blessing for Bitcoin prices. The reason that I'm saying is before this massive rally when Bitcoin, was reached that 20,000 price level, the price doubled from here. So from 20,000, price went to 40,000. Pretty much in every single rally, the price doubled. So because the last rally pushed the prices from here from 10,000 to 20,000, or in fact from 7,000 to 20,000. Now from 20,000 we went all the way to 40,000. So this particular sell-off is only a correction, because the next rally is going to double the price of Bitcoin, and that means that from a 40,000 Bitcoin prices can go to 80,000. So that is the sort of a momentum that we have seen previously with respect to Bitcoin prices, and that is the potential as well. But the reason that I think that the current sell-off is a blessing, because the RSI has been trading for a very long time near the overbought territory, because remember, anything which is near or above 70 is classified as overbought. Anything which is near 30 or below 30 is represented by or can be classified as an oversold. So we've been waiting for the RSI to leave this area and then come close to here, because only then we can say that yes, now prices are very much likely to move to the upside. So for me, the most important price point, the most important thing is that the prices are approaching towards the 50-day simple moving average, which is right over here, and the prices are respecting that price level. As long as this respect continues, we are very much in clear, because the market will continue to move to the upside. The immediate support level in terms of a price action is going to be the lows of these ones. This is your immediate support level. So just above that 27,200 price level, so that is your first support level. But if the price violates this particular price, then the next support is going to be just between 24,000 to 25,000. So that is your second support level. But right now, looking at the price action, the area which I've drawn onto the chart, that can very much act as your first support level. So I'm going to draw them over here as well, just to show you guys in terms of this particular price action, and it also encompasses the sorry, no, not this one. I'm gonna bring the segmented horizontal line, just to make sure that we are sort of pretty much looking at the apples for apples sort of things. There we go. Let me just Okay, these they're not the right ones. We'll just stick to the ones that we usually use, and that is going to be horizontal. So I'm going to take the low of this wick, and then that is very much touching the 50-day simple moving average, and then I'm going to take the consolidation over here. So right now, what we've got to see is that we have two levels, and I'm going to mark them on the chart for you so that you can understand clearly that where those levels are. So this is your support level number 1, and then this is your support level number 2. prices are respecting very much to the lows of these particular candle. And if price doesn't really stop where it is now, let's say if the price is not stopping over here, then the next level of support from here is really going to be into this particular price level. However, if the price doesn't support this particular price area as well, then it is very likely that the prices may continue the journey to the downside, and we come towards the 21,000 price level. So in terms of bargain levels, this is your bargain level right over here between 24 to 25,000, and then this one 21,000 to 22,000 or 22,000 and a half is really a bargain. This is really what we call a Christmas coming early. However, if prices do continue to correct themselves, and then we continue to see prices moving to the downside, then this will be what we call it Christmas coming early. If the price breaks 20,000 price level, which I really do not think that the prices will break the 20,000 price level, I think one of these levels are very much likely to work out. One of these levels will really help the bulls to move the price to the upside, but you never know because crypto prices can continue to move to the downside. Then we are looking at 16,000 price level. But right now, looking at the prices as they are, I think the current correction is still very much positive, because the RSI has started to move away from its overbought area, which we have been waiting for a very long time. And in terms of a price action, we also need to keep a very close eye on two other time frame, and that is your 4-hour time frame, because prices have violated the 200-day simple moving average, and that means that yes, the correction, the correction was taking place and it is still taking place. The RSI has already reached an oversold area, given the fact that it is all happening near our support area. So the chances are that we may see a move to the upside, a move which can push the prices towards the 50-day simple moving average, which is in orange, as in pink. So we could see that because the RSI is there. But when we look even further, drill it down to a 30-minute time frame, all what we need is a confirmation that the price needs to move above the 30-day simple moving average. And if it moves above that and stays above that, the path of least resistance from there onward is likely to be to the upside. So keep an eye on these one. Very interesting price level. Nothing to worry about. It's a healthy correction. And remember, the next move, if the bull cycle is over, which I do not think it is, then the next move is going to be about 80,000 price level. That's all for now. See you guys next time.